Welcome back everyone, Kira with Crafty Cosplay here, and I've got a whole new series of tutorials to share with you of my new Madam Olivia from Sea of Thieves Cosplay. Be sure to check out the playlist in the description for all the videos, and stay tuned for future ones. In this video, I'm going to show you how I put together the outfit for my Madam Olivia cosplay. I believe the outfit for the Order of Souls merchants is technically 2 pieces, but I used this dress I found on Amazon which works just as well. Now the bottom part is discolored because I started to use it for another project, but I liked how it gave the overall outfit a worn look. The original dress was entirely blue. I put it on and marked roughly where I should cut the skirt and sleeves. And because this dress had a drawstring top, I figured out where the collar should rest and tied the strings tight. I cut them off before sewing the little gap closed. Then I proceeded to cut the sleeves according to my reference photos and hem the edges with hot glue. After that, I cut up the skirt. It sits up high on the left thigh, but goes no further than about shin level on the right side. I kept my cuts kind of ragged and not perfect. Now, there are these large stitches that connect the skirt with the maroon wrap. I simply cut out strips from thin craft foam and painted them with Plaid's Leather Studio paint. Once they were dry, I attached them with hot glue. I don't have footage of me creating the maroon wrap on the skirt, but all I did was put the dress on and take about less than a yard of this maroon fabric that I got at Michael's, folded it in half so it was a triangle, then wrapped it around my hips. I secured it with a safety pin and some hot glue here or there. I kept it loose so that I could put on and take off the dress easily. Then I just cut up the bottom edges how I saw fit. For her rope belt, I literally bought enough feet of this thick nylon rope from Home Depot. It was cheap and flexible enough that I could tie it around my waist, but it wasn't the right color. So I used more of Plaid's Leather Studio paint in the linen color and painted the entire thing. This paint is great because it won't chip and the rope was still flexible. With more Leather Studio paint in the rusted pipe color, I tediously filled in the creases. Now everything was done. All I had to do was put it all together. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and check me out on social. Also, feel free to have a look at all the other Sea of Thieves cosplay tutorials in the playlist linked below. See you next time!